I got this here new case from Crave brand cases. I hadn't heard from these or this company before, but they sent me these, a couple of them, to show how they work for my new iPhone 16 Pro, and just to do a review on them. So let's start with this one. This is the forest green. I'll show you right there, forest green, and this is available on Amazon. So I am going to post my affiliate links in the description of this video, so then you can buy one if you do like it. All right, let's open this thing up. Forest green is this. There we go. All right. They pack them in good. Okay. Wow, so this is kind of cool. It's a little bit different green, you know, on the edges, and then different on the back, and it's kind of got a rubberized feel, not overly rubber. You know, some things are so rubbery feeling that they don't slide in and out of your pocket and stuff, but this is really pretty comfortable feeling, just slightly, you know, a rubber feel. As you see, it's more of a frame and a rubber gasket inside. Now, I don't believe it comes apart really, or yeah, it does. So it does. See here, there's the MagSafe transfer ring, and then there's this rubber gasket. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna first put on the gasket. You know, I should read instructions, but I didn't bother with that. Okay, so there's the gasket on first, and then we're gonna put the actual plastic frame around it here. So we're gonna do just like this. That was easy. That went on really easy. Actually really easy. It really, you know, a lot of the cases that are all in one, you have to really pry them around the edges. This was really easy to put on. So that's cool. I like it. Yeah, and you've got your buttons where they're easier to click. They're actual like buttons almost, so that's kind of neat. You do have the cutout for the camera control, which is something they thought of, pretty good. So that has to be shown there, so you can do like a touch, because it's touch sensitive, so you got to be able to swipe on it. Yeah, and it's protective, fully protective over these camera lenses. As you see at a straight angle here, you can't see the camera lenses jetting out further, so it's going to be very protective. I mean, of course, if you drop it and you hit right in there, it'll still get damaged, but this will, for the most part, protect it. Yeah, this is cool. It has everything you need, really, for openings and everything on it. It says Crave on the back. I was wondering if it was like a material, but this is good. It's just slightly rubberized. Yeah, I'm all for these cases. They're not too bad on price. You know, it's I would say more of a budget, you know, a good price really for what you're getting here. This type of a case, you know, it's just right on price. I'll say that. Yeah, so check them out if you like this. I will put the link to this here one in my video description here. And like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching today.